Hi everyone, welcome to Eveningland. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a few different fonts that you can sort of DIY or copy from Google Fonts for bullet journaling, diaries, for whatever purpose that you would like. So the first one is Hand. That's the name of the font, and it is a very neat looking sort of simple font. It's very easy to replicate, since it doesn't have any sort of slants or curves or anything like that. And the next font is Parisian. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I really like this one. It looks very pretty, slightly slanted with a few little curves here and there. And then the next one is Sacramento. I did not do this one well. I think I slanted it more than it needed to be. But this one is very rounded and kind of cute. I like this one a lot. Architect's Daughter. Very clean, kind of big, kind of loud. And then the next one is Indie Flower, which is actually very similar to Architect's Daughter, but it looks more cartoony, more fun, I think. And then this is my ultimate favorite, Amatic SC. I've seen this around a lot on YouTube, on different posters and things like that. So the link to the Google Fonts website is linked in the description box below. You can enter whatever text you want, and then it will spit out that text in the font that you would like. And then the last one is Satisfy. This one's okay. I think it just looks like a normal handwriting from someone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.